Happy Monday. We're back at Mount Trashmore, getting some steps in. Today's day one of phase one of 75 hard. I just have to get back on because I was not following what I was supposed to do, so now I'm forced to. We'll talk about it some more later. Yeah. All right, just got done with my 45-minute outdoor workout. We did a nice ruck, nice and sweaty. Got a large portion of my steps. Got 5,000 steps in. So now I'm about to go home, take a cold shower, because phase one has cold showers, and I'll break down exactly what's needed. And then I got to head to the Norfolk office to grab some content. Then I got meetings, blah 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 blah. Long day. Let's get this week going though. So I'm back on the Live Hard program. So I'm on phase one of the Live Hard program. So it's kind of like 75 hard. It's just an extension, right? It's what comes afterwards. 75 hard is 75 days. Phase one is 30 days. And it incorporates a lot of what 75 hard incorporated, but it also adds some more. Still got to do the 45-minute outdoor workout, 45-minute indoor workout. No cheating on my diet. No cheat meals. I can't drink alcohol. Gotta read 10 pages a day. Gotta take a progress picture. And on top of that, I have to add 3 more tasks, critical tasks in my day. I have to take a cold shower, and I gotta do 10 minutes of daily visualization. I think I said that right. I always mess up that word. So it's a little bit more hectic. A couple more things to do, but it's much needed. I need it in my life, and I need to be structured. Because that's the only thing that's going to allow me to get to the next level. So that's phase one, and we're about to start. Today's day one. We got 30 days to go. So I'm going to make sure I tell you guys the story and show you guys the behind the scenes of this entire journey. First cold shower of phase one. I'm not ready for this, honestly. Oh, brother. Alright, fuck. Let's get it. Usually I would go warm then cold, but I'm like, fuck it. Let's just dive in deep. Oh, fuck. Alright, I'm gonna catch you guys afterwards. Alright, so I'm trying to, step up my game a little bit. I'm like, I gotta dress like I belong, and it's time to grow up. I can't be wearing pajamas all the time. So today, we're wearing the nice polo. It's like a linen polo. Black slacks. I'm gonna put on some black shoes in a little bit. They're in the car. But yeah, trying to step up. I need to get a haircut, clean up my face a little bit. But yeah, dress like I belong. Dress the way I'd be dressing as a multimillionaire. So no more pajamas. Well, maybe at the gym. I don't know. I gotta figure that part out. But today we're working on some framing and installing new windows. So this is a used unit right now, occupied unit. It's being completely framed out, and new windows are coming in. So as you can see on this side right here, the new windows were installed. So just replicating that for this side, and then new siding is being added as well, coming up. So this is some exciting stuff. This is the side where siding's already been added, so it's going to be put on the front and on the back as well. So you see the back's bare right now. These buildings, the siding's already been worked on, so the next step would be the windows. So the same process that's happening over there with the framing is going to have to happen over here as well. So that's going to be the next step. Slowly but surely, it's all coming along. Things are looking good. It's like progress step by step, right? Following the business plan and making sure that everything looks good, works out, and turns around. So the team's doing a really, really good job. Guys are working hard. So we're gonna go check the deck updates. I'm gonna show you guys the old deck. So like right here, you can see this is old stuff, and then now we got the newer stuff. So I'm gonna grab a drone shot of that as well, because it's slowly gonna get changed. And you guys can see, we'll go upstairs as well, so you can see the actual like flooring part. And then all this is gonna get stained, so it's all gonna be matching. But yeah, So as you can see on this side right here, the actual boards, the deck boards have been replaced. So looks really good. And right now they're working on the ones over there. So things are coming along. Let's freaking go.
10 girlfriends and no wife. That's how I want to live my life.
I already probably talked about this, but yeah, I didn't lose any weight this week. Stayed at exactly where I was supposed to. Not supposed to. Stayed exactly where I was. Had a great weekend. Ate some food, did some drinking, but now I'm back on 75 hard. I'm back on phase 1. So last night I weighed in at around 211. So now I'm on my diet. Today I've been eating in my deficit. So let's do a physique check. I definitely put on some fluff, even more than last week. I think, right? Yeah. I mean, just had a nice pump. So let's see where we're at the end of the week. Now I don't even have a choice to miss out on my whatchamacallit, diet. So if I miss a day or mess up something on my diet, I fail and I have to start over. So that's not gonna happen. So I'm excited to see the progress. Let's get to below 200. Just got done with my calling session for today. So this past week, even into last week, I lowered my target for the day for dials. It should be 300 and I haven't been hitting 300. Like today I just hit 109. I just need to get back on track and do what I'm supposed to do. So I'm gonna have to add it to my AI again, because pretty much ever since I had that event for the night market where I had to make less calls and I had to change it in the AI because I didn't have enough time, I haven't gone back to doing it $300 a day. So I'm gonna do that. But good news, we got a lead today, a pre-foreclosure lead. I have an appointment tomorrow. Trying to go help him. He doesn't want to. I mean, ideally he'd love to keep the home, but it's something that he's not really trying to do. It's like a rental property, so he'd rather consider just selling. So tomorrow afternoon, I'm gonna drive out there, do a walkthrough, see how I can help him. So I'm working on setting up a call with one of my friends who does pre-foreclosure specifically, so he can walk me through the process on how to give him the best solution for him. So I'm gonna do that later today and meet him tomorrow afternoon. So I'm excited. It's working. I just gotta stay consistent, and I need to get back to the 300 dial so I can get the 8 deals in 3 months. I just had a quick call with my homie from my mastermind group that was kind of taking me through this pre-foreclosure process and checklist. So what I'm gonna do right now is give a call back to the seller just to qualify him some more, make sure he's legit, he's the deal. And the last thing we want to do is not have the right information, right? I was just giving you a quick call. I got to speak with my partner, and we were just trying to figure out the best way to make sure we're able to help you. And wanted to get back on the phone with you just because of the urgency of your situation.
Yes, it's real urgent. Basically, I've been going back and forth with them, sending them paperwork, and they keep asking for this and more of this and missing a page of this, and it's like they're just trying to linger this thing on. I don't know why.
We're gonna need to hop on the phone, you, me, and the bank as quickly as possible, so I can explain to them the situation. I know they're already closed now, but so then we can let them know what we're gonna be working on doing, and since we're super close to the 15th, right? Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'll reach out you said you had a meeting tomorrow morning, right?
Yes.
When would you have some time so we can get on the phone with the bank early tomorrow morning before we meet up in the afternoon?
We could we could meet I think about maybe like 8 something. I think about maybe 8:30 in the morning.
Okay, perfect. Out here, we got young boy Cole over here, yo. Today was the hottest day ever. We got Cole over here.
Light.
Yeah, sounds good. It's a good run. Oh, we did it. W. Got people running in over here. We got the rest of the people over there. Good morning, guys. Let's get it. I'm in backyard. Usually never come to the backyard ever, actually, but I'm like, I need to start enjoying nature. So goal, I think in the next like week or so, I need to add to my to-do stuff. I'm gonna add it to my AIs. I need to clean up this backyard, freaking mow this lawn, clear out all these freaking bushes, clear out all these leaves and shit, and then clean up the deck as well, make it more like homey. I'm like, I should get a grill, should get a seating area, so like even in the mornings I can come out here. I'm for sure gonna have to like spray for bugs and stuff, because I'm sure there's mosquitoes and all that stuff, so I can like read, meditate. It's loud, and I need to come here earlier in the mornings, because right now cars are driving by. It's freaking loud. And then the neighbors are renovating their stuff right now, so it's interesting. But yeah, I need to take advantage of this backyard. So I need to go inside. I got a call to deal with a seller. Come on, road to 8 deals. Yeah, I definitely got to spray that backyard for bugs. I think I was out there for less than 3 minutes, and I think I already got freaking mosquito bites. Oh, but yeah, I was like, I need to take advantage of that. But we'll talk about that later. I'll make it a plan for this summer. Something that I need to work on right now is I'm about to get on a call with this potential seller and his bank. So let me just set that up, and let's have a good time.
Hi. If you record your name and reason for calling, I'll see if this person is available.
Sophie had a quick question for.
Thanks, Sophie. Please stay on the line. I'm sorry, this person is not available. If you would like to leave an additional message.
I literally pulled up to the gym to hit leg day, and what the fuck's happening? Literally. Hopefully everybody's good, but I was like, I'm not taking my pre-workout until I know I can go in there. Because the last thing I want to do is take my pre-workout and then not be able to work out. Fuck. We're going all the way up there. Must be someone on the roof. Those guys, let's get it. Mission accomplished. W leg day. It was a good leg day. Hit some new PRs. Did really good on the pistol squats. Finally able to level up after a while. And stayed a little bit behind to finish my 10K steps. Needed to get that done for the day. So day 3 of the phase 1 of Live Hard Challenge is going well. Doing really good. I'm excited to go eat dinner. Not gonna lie, I think I got like 3 water bottles left to hit my gallon, and then I gotta read. But we're getting to the rhythm of things, and I definitely want to use these next, I'd say 27 days to build a new routine and level up, and it's definitely doable. So let's make it happen. I ended up just doing my walk, and then started listening to some meditation, and then I just came and sat down. And I can't remember last time I just sat down and did nothing. It's been a while, so like last time I went to the beach was the last time I actually did that, so that was probably 3 weeks ago. So I was like, let me sit down and do nothing for a little bit, and I don't mind it. Just got done at the gym. We hit shoulders today, and I was like, I need to hit my walk because I started the day pretty late, I'm not gonna lie, and I have to do a mandatory 45-minute outdoor ruck. So I'm at Mount Trashmore, and I was like, it's either now or never because it's raining. And I was like, if I don't make it out there before it starts raining, then I'm gonna have to walk around like 11 o'clock at night. So I said, fuck it. I came out. I have about 15 minutes left in this 45-minute ruck, and the rain's starting to come down. So hopefully it holds out just a little bit longer. Because, yeah. Either way, I have to go do a cold shower after this. So I'm like, whatever, if I'm wet, probably makes the cold shower easier. So I'm about to go get a run in. Should be my long run. Got to do that quickly, then I got to go grab groceries. So yeah, we're going to do that. Minimum 3 miles, see how it feels outside. It's not hot, so it should be good. It's kind of cloudy, honestly. So hopefully it just doesn't rain. But let's get this freaking run going. I'm gonna catch you guys at Mount Trashmore. Mission accomplished. W run. My watch was off today because threw off my pace, threw off my distance. Definitely went further than a 5K, but I think because I accidentally started my watch in kilometers and I switched to miles, so maybe it's gonna update. But here's my time for today. I'm gonna walk a little bit and I might run a little bit more. Did another mile. So that puts us at about, realistically, if from what I think I ran, I probably ran like a 3.23 mile or 5K first half, and then this other mile. So it puts us at around like 4.4 miles, I think, something like that. Not bad. Good Sunday run. Legs felt a little bit heavy. I think it's all mental though, because I took my pace at the beginning was so fast. I think seeing the wrong time on my watch threw me off. So then I just slowed down the rest of it, or I just got exhausted. I don't know. But W run, W workout. Let's go. Right, awesome week, guys. We did amazing. Hard week. Did a lot of working out. Stuck to all our working out stuff. That was really cool. Proud of myself. Hit all our 10K steps mandatory, and we went over actually for the majority of the week. And most importantly, we hit our diet. And it's crazy because the difference between hitting my diet and not hitting my diet is crazy. Over the past couple weeks, I haven't been hitting my diet, so I've been staying in the 1 pound up and 1 pound down kind of range. Started this week at 211, I believe, pounds. And this morning I weighed in at 207.4. So yeah, it works. Let's check out the physique. I think right now, that's what we look like. I think we're losing a little bit of that water weight. Feel good, feel good. So, gonna stay consistent. I'm excited to see how well we do this coming week. Again, we gotta hit the diet, stick to the diet. I don't really have a choice, because if not, then I fail phase 1 of 75 hard. But excited, gonna keep the steps up and see where we can get next Sunday. So I'm gonna catch you guys later. See you at the desktop. All right, guys, this was a good week. Wasn't perfect. We did better in a lot of aspects. On the real estate side, I only did around 990 calls out of the 1700, so I did not hit my target. However, we had a lead, we had conversation, didn't pan out, so I'm going to continue following up on that. But we're starting to get progress, so we have stuff coming in, so I just got to stay consistent. I got to make sure that this next week I hit all my targets, I hit all my goals, I hit all the numbers I'm supposed to, because then once I hit the actual output, right? If I hit the 1700, then I can decide, okay, I got to work on the quality of the leads, I got to work on the quality of the calls, or I got to increase the output. But if I'm not hitting the minimum requirement, then I can't really track anything, right? So this coming week, I got to do way better at that. And on the weight side of things, I locked in thanks to phase 1 of the Live Hard Challenge. I couldn't cheat on my diet, so that really worked, and it proves that it works. Went from 211 to 207, so I just got to lock in and continue doing that. I'm excited for that, and just keep pushing. So that's the lesson I'm learning. It's just I have to learn to love discipline, because the discipline allows me to get the goals I want to. I can't look at discipline as something that's meant to make my life harder or something that is a punishment. So if you're looking to get better, start adding discipline in your life. I'm trying to show you guys that it's possible. So I'm trying to be as transparent as possible as well. So hopefully you liked this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on notification for the next time I drop a new vlog. I appreciate you guys. Remember, we are extraordinary. It's our duty, responsibility, and obligation to be the best version of ourselves and to help as many people do the same thing. I'm here to inspire you guys, and I hope I get to meet you guys, and you guys inspire me to get to the next level as well. It's your boy Simply Soph saying doses.